Hello, this is Sheree for Just Nailed It for SheModern Saturday, as well as SheModern Old to New. It is a collaboration that Karina's Nails Design and I both run. We do a theme each month. This month it is fruit. So I'm using these fruit stickers. I'm going to do the strawberries. But we have to use a SheModern product on there. So to incorporate the collaboration in my SheModern Saturday, I'm going to use Tina's brand new product for SheModern. The white to hot to cold, the melon, white, oh, I'm having a tongue-tied moment. It's temperature changing, hot to cold, white to melon. So pretty, isn't it? I'm shaking it, and you'll hear the ball shake, hopefully. Kinda. I'm shaking it, shake, shake, shake. I'm gonna put some of this out on my palette. And I'm gonna, well, I probably need more of that, but I'm gonna put it on some nails. This is watercolor. Okay, we're back. I have water. We're gonna take said nails. These are a slightly orangey pink, really super light pastel color. I did a sugar nail here. Like I said, I'm doing the strawberries. So we're going to take one nail at a time. We're going to, I don't know which brush to use. Check this brush out real quick. We're going to put this on the nail. And I don't have... So we're going to just move this around a little bit. And I should have matted the nail. Don't know how well this is going to do on a glossy. This is not top coated. This is a Beetles polish, which doesn't do sticky too well. Don't know what to do now. What I do need to do is top coat those other nails and matte them out. Matte them out. So, pause. We're back. We are now going to take each nail and a little bit of the hot to cold, cold hot. Random on the nail. And I will place my strawberries randomly. I'm going to place these are watercolors, like I said, they have to air dry. Oh boy, that's one of them. Whoopsie. It's going to be going along the edge of the watercolor. Going to clean my brush in the water as well. Get all the watercolor out of it. Here's our last nail. The other nail, remember, is a sugar nail. And we will be back once they're all finished drying. Here once again is the bottle from SheModern. The new ones all have the SheModern on the handle. This is melon to white, hot to cold. They are temperature change. You can get them on the SheModern catalog, SheModern.com, where you can place your order and use my code at checkout, nailed at 67, all in caps. We'll be back.
Our nails are finished. We are now going to apply our stickers. I got my new tweezers from Temu. I know my codes don't work. Can't get a hold of anybody there to fix them or find out why. Because I don't know what's going on there. So I'm going to get my little nail. And start with the strawberries. Put just a couple on. Oopsie daisy. Oops. I don't know how to do this now. Well, shoot. This is not going well. Now they're stuck on me. There we go. Now we have them, I think. Put this one down here. Sorry, I got a little bit of a snotty nose. Just a little bit. There we go.
There is Uno. Uno. Oh, we got a wrinkle. Oh, I fixed it. Hold her still, George. Hold her still. So I'm trying to do like 3 per nail for the bigger nails. Strawberry. Oh, shoot. That one just popped all its way across the desk. So we're gonna put them on every which way, I guess. No wrinkle berries. This one they require 4. It's a bigger nail, you know? You know what I mean, George? There we go. There we go. Me and my snotty nose is finished now. We're going to top coat, maybe add a little bit of bling. Add a little bit of bling. Get my bling case off to the side. Help me top coat real quick. Don't forget we have used our SheModern watercolor. Melon to white, white to melon. I can't remember how it goes. I do not have ample room. Wish I did to do the hot to cold. I'm hoping the lamp will help me out with that. It's kind of like towards the white right now. I don't think it's too much in the melon area. I mean, it's kind of, but... Sorry about the noise. Sorry about the noise. Sorry. Over there, one here. Here we go. Here's our nails. Let me fix this one here because it is sliding. Here we go. Here's our nails. I'm going to pop them in for 6. Alright, we are back. The nails are dry. They're finito. I think the strawberries look rather cute. Rather cute. Can't really see the watercolors. They have went to white. Once they warm up, it will go back to the melon color. You can see it coming back in this nail here. Some in this nail as well. Slightly in this nail. I don't know if you can see it, but I can. I can see it. Maybe if I take, let's watch this nail here. And I'm going to take my warm finger, yeah, they're cold from the lamp. Put my warm finger on it. My fingers are warm. These lights are, they're not getting a lot of warmth to it. But I don't have a warm bowl of water, and I can't go get that sitting here at my desk in my room. But you can see the melons start to come back in the nails. They're not so white anymore, and I'm hoping you can see that with your naked eye. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Let you know, or let me know what you think, what you think, what you think. I think it's pretty cool. Next time or next weekend we'll be doing some demos from this order, from my last order. Unboxings, our hauls. And I promise I'll be more prepared with some shutting the fans off behind me. And some hot and cold water. We'll be dipping us some nails and having a towel below us and having some hot and cold water, hopefully. So leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of my mani. Starting to see more of the melon colors coming back into the nails. Not so much this one yet, but these three I can see it. Hopefully you can too. I'm digging this strawberry fruit manicure for SheModern Saturday and SheModern Old To Do. The collaboration that Karina's Nails Designs and I run. Check it out on Instagram as well as here on YouTube. Once a month we do a video, a manicure. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bell, that way you get notified of all future videos, giveaways, anything important that may come across my desk. Have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.